What's up, guys? Oh, look what come in. I got my new head unit in, so let's see. What the hell? This sucks not having a camera person. So I went with another JVC, a model newer than the one that I have currently right now. So I'll be sure to save my receipt this time, which I got a pretty good deal, $105 for this deck. I paid $140 for the other one. So basically, this is supposed to be a direct swap out. So all I gotta do is unplug the other one and plug this one in its place, and we should be good. I'm gonna go to the other side. Was supposed to go to a car show, but they canceled it this weekend, which I didn't think I was gonna have my deck in time anyway. So yeah. I don't know. Son of a bitch. Alright. Alright, get rid of that. I don't need all this. Go over there. Do need the keys. No remote. Remote control application. What the hell? All right. It's a little different. I wonder if my... What the fuck? Yeah. Bear with me, guys. Bear with me. Hold the hell on. Ooh, shiny. Get rid of this stupid thing. One-off sticker. That's pretty much identical to what I have. Yeah, I'll set that up here. Oh, I'm gonna have to move you guys. Alright. Hopefully you guys can see me. I'll find out once I check the video. Bitch. Of course, with Chevys, you got to put the steering wheel down, gear shift all the way down to get this stupid thing out. The dash. Oh, my bad. And damn it. What the fuck? What the hell? There we go. All right. Basically, should just unplug that and it should plug right into the other one, and it should be good to go. Kill the power. More like a. Come on out. Come on out. Power's coming out. What the hell do we got going on here? Shit can never be simple. The fuck is this? What the hell is this? What is this? Fucking. Really? Okay. Well, I'm gonna take care of that. From the mic. Okay. That's whatever. Hold on. Swap decks. was a little different. The other one had 3 preamp outputs, which the place never used the preamp outputs anyway, because they said you get a higher voltage off the speaker level inputs, or whatever the hell they're called. So yeah, so I'm not even using the RCAs. Not even using none of the RCAs on the deck. Come on. Come on out. Sweet Jesus. Alright. Plug in for my mic. Plug in for that. And plug in that. All this shit back in there. Come on. Get in there. Get in there. All right. Nice bite. All right. Guess what?
$630.10. If you owe back taxes to the IRS and cannot afford to pay them back, or even if you have years of unfiled tax returns,
so yeah, there we go, guys. I got that in.
Call the community tax helpline
Let's
today
see.
at 800-600-3010 for the help that you
Probably
need.
go for a drive later on,
IRS alone. They can attack your
because I can't demo right here.
savings,
So let me get everything put back together and I'll get back with you.
Call 800.
Thanks for sticking with me. I know it was a long video. I try to keep them as short as I can. But anyway, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe,